Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you something really exciting. How I built a fully working Android app using Google AI Studio completely free, no coding, zero. And I'm using the free API, no paid subscription needed. And that's not all. I'll also show you how to install this app directly on your Android phone. And in future videos, we'll cover how to publish it on the Play Store, add Google AdSense, integrate different AI models, and actually make money from these apps. You can even clone existing apps. So let's begin. First things first, go to Google AI Studio screen. You'll see an option that says Build an Android app. Click that. Now just type what you want to build. Today I'm going to build a calculator app. Simple, clean, perfect for a demo. Hit enter and watch the magic happen. You'll notice we're using Gemini Pro model, completely free with a daily limit that's honestly more than enough for building apps like this. Now here's where it gets cool. Before writing a single line of code, Google AI Studio first designs your UI and gives you multiple theme options to choose from. You've got elegant, high density, minimal, clean, different styles. Pick what you like and hit continue. It'll take less than a minute and boom, your app is ready. As you can see, your app is now running in a live preview. This is basically a virtual Android emulator right inside your browser. You can actually test it like a real phone. You can even switch between phone and tablet mode, change screen sizes, and use all the features you built. Now let me show you the settings menu. This is powerful. You can switch AI models, choose which model powers your app's intelligence. You can share the app with friends and family directly. You can publish to Play Console, but that needs a separate video, so we'll cover that later. You've got version control. Every time you ask AI to make a change, it saves a new version. So if the AI messes something up, just roll back. Standard dev workflow automatically handled. You can store API secrets, Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, right inside your app. And you can view and download your full code. This is huge. You own your app completely. You can even open it in Anti-Gravity IDE to edit the code manually if you want. That's another video on its own. Alright, now the fun part. Let's install this on a real Android phone. Before clicking install, you need to do a quick one-time setup. Grab a USB cable and connect your Android phone to your laptop. On your phone, go to Settings arrow, About phone arrow, Android version. Tap on it 5 times rapidly. Congrats, you're now in developer mode. Now go back to settings, search for developer options, open it, and turn on USB debugging. This is the important one. Quick note, USB debugging is a powerful setting. Only enable it when you need it and always be careful with it. Once that's done, go back to AI Studio and click Install via USB. A pop-up will appear. Select your phone. You'll also get a confirmation pop-up on your phone. Just click Install. And that's it. Your app is now installed on your phone. Open it, use it, it's real and it works. So guys, you just built a fully working Android app for free in under 5 minutes with zero code. You can use it yourself, share it with others, or eventually publish it and make money from it with AdSense. In the next videos, we're going to cover publishing to the Play Store, adding AI models and APIs, making money from your apps. If you want those videos, drop a comment below and let me know what kind of app you want to build.